Dear students, again I take one more problem to explain how to find the root of the given equation by using regular-Folcy method. So, here in this problem is cos x is equal to 3x minus 1. Condition is correct to 3 decimal place, means difference is 0.000 something. So, first we have to find approximate root. So, approximate root means we have to find two root, that is a and also b. Consider the given function f of x. We can written as f of x is equal to 3x minus cos x minus 1. Now take x is equal to 0. F of 0 is equal to 3 into 0 value 0, cos 0 value 1 minus 1, which is equal to minus 2. Take x is equal to 1, f of 1, which is equal to 3 minus cos 1 minus 1, which is equal to 1.4596. Okay, so it means here, and one thing here, cos 1 means here it is a trigonometric function. In your calculation we find the value only in radian only, means suppose it is in degree, first we convert it into radian and then you find the value. Okay, then the root lies between minus 2 and also 1.4596. so it means again better we find nearest approximate root, okay, by using inspection method. So minus 2 minus 4 means almost near, means we take middle value. Now I start from 0.5, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7. Take x is equal to 0.5. f of 0.5, that is 3 into 0.5 minus cos of 0.5 minus 1, so which is equal to minus 0.3775. okay, next take x is equal to 0.6. f of 0.6, which is equal to 3 into 0.6 minus cos of 0.6 minus 1, so which is equal to minus 0.0253. Then x is equal to 0.7. f of 0.7, which is equal to 3 into 0.7 minus cos of 0.7 minus 1, so which is equal to 0.3351. It means the root lies between these two value, means root lies between 0.6 and also 0.7. So regular-Folcy method state that x1 is equal to a into f of b minus b into f of a divided by f of b minus f of a. So a and also choose a and also b value. So we take any value consider as a value, then corresponding f of a should be negative, means take x is a is equal to 0.6, then corresponding f of a value 0.0253. okay, next b value 0.7, f of b value 0.3351. okay, now all the value subtract in this one. x1 is equal to a value 0.6, f of b value 0.3351, b value 0.7, f of b value 0.0253, means minus it to minus it become plus, then f of b 0.3351 plus 0.0253. Simplify, here we get x1 value 0.6070. okay, next we have to find go to second iterative value, that is second iterative value can be written as x2 is equal to a into f of b minus b into f of a divided by f of b minus f of a. okay, f of b, so again we choose a, b, f of a and also f of b. So that was first we have to find 0.6070 value, that is 3 into 0.6070 minus cos of 0.6070 minus 1. So simplify, here we get minus 3.6292 into 10 raised to minus 4. okay, so here totally we get 3 value 1, 2 and also 3. Comparing 3 value, first we choose one positive value. Which one is the positive value? 3351 is the positive value. Corresponding value consider as a b value, that is f of b value 0.7 and f of b value 0.3351. So your 0 point in remaining two value in this row, minus 0.02 and also minus 3 into 10 raised to 4 means 0.0000 minus 3. So it means this value is the nearest to 0. Then corresponding x value we consider as a value, then 0.6070. Then f of a value minus 3.6292 into 10 raised to minus 4. Now all the 4 value substitute in this equation, simplify. Here we get x2 value 0.6071. Okay, so here see almost same condition is equating to 3 decimal place. Suppose we ask correct to 4 decimal place means again we go to next iterative value. So here almost same na, so we consider 0.066071 is the real root of the given equation. Now I take another example. Here in this problem, x e power of x is equal to cos x lies between 0.4 and also 0.6. Here carry out 3 iteration, means here a and b value also given. So carry out 3 iteration means we have to find x1, x2 and also x3. So consider the function f of x is equal to x e power of x minus cos x. First we have to find f of 4 and also f of 0.6. Take x is equal to 0.4. f of 0.4 which is equal to 0.4 into e power of 0.4 minus cos of 0.4. So which is equal to minus 0.3243. Next x is equal to 0.6 f of 0.6 which is equal to 0.6 e power of 0.6 minus cos of 0.6. Here also the cos of 0.6 or cos of 0.4 value find in only in radian. So simplify, here we get 0.2679. Now regular falsy method state that x1 is equal to a into f of b minus b into f of a divided by f of b minus f of a. So in these two roots we have to first we choose a and also b value. So we take any value we consider as a value, but the corresponding f of a should be negative, means minus 0.3243 is the negative value. Therefore corresponding means x value is 0.4, so that is the a value 0.4, f of a value minus 0.3243, b value 0.6, corresponding f of b value 0.2679. So now all the value substitute in this equation. Here we get x1 value, simplify. X1 means like that 0.4 into 0.2679, okay, minus b value 0.6, f of a value minus it become plus 0.3243 divided by f of b 0.2679 plus f of a 0.3243. Simplify, here we get x1 value 0.5095. okay. Next we go to second iterative value. Second iterative value x2. x2 is equal to a into f of b minus b into f of a divided by f of b minus f of a. So again we choose a, b, f of a and also f of b. So that was again we have to find f of 5095 value. f of 0.5095 value 0.5095 into e power of 0.5095 minus cos of 0.5095. So here which is equal to minus 0.0249. So totally 3 value 1, 2 and also 3. Comparing 3 value, choose one negative value and also one positive value. Comparing 3, 0.2679 is the positive value, that is consider 0.2679, corresponding B value 0.6. So remaining minus 0.32 minus 0.02 means minus 0.02 is the nearest to 0. So take A is equal to 0.5095 and f of A value minus 0.0249. Now all the values kept in this equation, simplify. Here we get x2 value 0.5171. So condition is carry out 3 iteration now. So we go to next iteration, that is x3. x3 is equal to a into f of b minus b into f of a divided by f of b minus f of a. So again we choose a, b, f of a and also f of b. Okay, now that wise first we have to find f of 0.5171 value, that is 0.5171 into e power of 0.5171 minus cos of 0.5171. Simplify. Here we get minus 1.9986 into 10 raised to minus 3. So totally we get 4 value, 1, 2, 3, 4. Comparing 4 value, we choose one positive and also one negative. Comparing 4 value, 0.2679 is the positive value. So corresponding x value 0.6. So b value 0.6, f of b value 0.2679. So remaining 3 value 1, 3, 4. Comparing this 3 point, minus 1.9986 into 10 raised to minus 3 is the nearest value. So corresponding x value 0.5171. So 0.5171 considered as a value. 0.5171 is considered as a value. F of a value minus 1.9986 into 10 raised to minus 3. Now all the value substitute in this equation, simplify. Here we get x3 value 0.5171. So like that we have to find the root of the given equation by using regular Folcy method. Thank you.